All right, guys. Carlo here, Horsepower Industries, and welcome to the shop and welcome back to our channel. I know it's been like a long ass time since I've done like a shop video, but anyways, we got my buddy's Viper here. I just did a suspension job on this like maybe say 4 months ago or something, last December, and yeah, I mean it's a nice coilover kit that I installed in this thing. Is a TKO Motorsports active right high coilover system. Um, and it's actually active suspension, and it's a height adjustable. Give you guys a demonstration here. I have a remote right here. Just raise the car up. So there's a motor in the back here that I installed, and there's a motor, like a pump, hydraulic pump, and it feeds fluid from the back. There's a pump in the back, and then there's like there's manifolds and lines that goes to the coilover. It's almost like an air suspension system, but it's all hydraulics. So see, gain about like what? It's about 2 inches. Let me see if we can go up more. 2.5 at least. So the purpose of this kit is that way, like if my customer or my buddy wants to go up like steep driveways and stuff, he can actually clear. Pretty much like with this type of height, you can pretty much clear almost any driveway. Yeah, plenty of clearance right there. And then if you want to go low, like just you can cruise. Press the button, the D, like down button once. It'll actually lower the car down maybe an inch. You can actually drive the car with that setting. I would drive it on the freeway, just cruise around. But if you want to go lower, like hard park it, press it down one more time. You can see. Now it's like almost tucked in. Then I would say that's like the race mode. You know what I mean? But yep. Yeah, it's pretty dope, huh? Very expensive suspension. This whole kit probably costs like around like 13 grand or something. Go check out the guys at TKO Motorsports. They have a lot of parts for these cars, Vipers, also Porsches, Mercedes. But yeah, TKOmotorsports.com. And then, yeah, and here at the shop at Horsepower Industries, we do all of their parts installations. We do a lot of suspension work, engine work, drivetrain, all bolt-on parts, install turbo, brakes, and obviously suspension. So yeah, if you guys need help, we're located here in Fairfield, California. And yep, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.